Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create and how to connect this personal hotspot from this device to this one. Okay, first of all go to settings. First of all we need to turn on the personal hotspot. Tap on personal hotspot and turn on this one. So here you can see the Wi-Fi password. If you want to change the password, tap on this one. You can easily change the password. After changes, tap on done. Okay, now let me show you how to find the name of this personal hotspot. Go to settings and tap on the general, tap on about. So here you can see the name of this device, so you can easily change this name also. Okay, and this will be the Bluetooth and the hotspot name. Okay, this iPhone. Now go back, tap on personal hotspot. Okay, now in this device I am going to search for this personal hotspot. Tap on Wi-Fi. Okay, now it's searching. Yeah, iPhone is here. Tap on this one. So here we need to enter the password. After enter the password, tap on connect. You can see successfully connected. So simply in this way you can create and connect the personal hotspot in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.